Are you tired of seeing YouTube shorts cluttering your feed? While previously you could not completely remove shorts from the YouTube app, a new update to the YouTube app lets you block YouTube shorts from your device. Here's how you can do this on your iPhone. Before you begin, make sure that you are running the latest version of the YouTube app on your iPhone. Now launch the YouTube app and tap on the U button from the bottom. Next, tap on the settings icon from the top right corner. This will bring you to the YouTube in-app settings section. Here, tap on Time Management. Now, under Daily Limits, turn on the toggle for Short Speed Limit. Here, you have to select the 0 minutes option, which will essentially completely block YouTube Shorts from appearing on the homepage. Remember, YouTube is still rolling out this feature, so if you don't see the 0 minutes as an option, then either update the app or wait a few days for the option to roll out to your account. After selecting 0 minutes, simply go back to the main YouTube page and tap on the Home tab. When this page is refreshed, you will notice that the YouTube Shorts section will disappear and will never come back. You will still see the Shorts tab at the bottom, but it won't let you watch Shorts and warn you that you have reached your Shorts feed limit. On this page, you can still ignore the limit, so I hope YouTube allows users to remove the Shorts tab from the app altogether. That's it. While you still can't fully disable YouTube Shorts yet, these methods will help you significantly reduce or avoid them. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more iPhone tips and tricks on iOS Hacker. Thanks for watching.